Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again. It's Real Spaniel. Today I'll be discussing the 4 stocks I might be potentially buying for the upcoming market crash or market correction. But before we get started, guys, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Leave your comments down below. Let's get right into it. First stock I might be buying is Beyond Meat. My price point for this stock is under $140. I currently own 85 shares with a cost basis of $125, so I don't want to average up too much. So my bull thesis for this stock is basically more deals like Taco Bell or Pepsi will come up. And I think the big catalyst for this stock so it can shoot up way higher than current prices is a McPlant deal with McDonald's. I think after McDonald's, if McDonald's says, okay, we're going to partner up with Beyond Meat, this was certified and give a lot of credibility to Beyond Meat. And a lot of people will respect the stock and be like, okay, they are the big deal of disrupting the meat industry, so we should take it more serious. So then more and more companies will announce deals or partnerships with Beyond Meat. And another bull reason I'm so bullish for this stock is basically as states start opening up, they start selling more Beyond Meat products. More people get to try these products. And then if they love Beyond Meat products, they're going to go to Costco, Sam's Club, and all that good stuff. And they're going to start buying drinks if they have drinks with Pepsi at that time or products of Beyond Meat. And then this will raise sales and then net income will rise up, which will make the stock go up even higher. So this is not financial advice or just like, it's just me expressing my bull thesis of Beyond Meat. So currently I own 85 shares with a cost basis of $125. I do plan on adding more shares. I want to reach 100 shares of this stock if it goes down a little bit, but I do not want to rise up my cost basis too much. But I do plan on buying this stock if it crashes. Second stock I might be potentially buying for this upcoming market correction is Disneyland. I mean, who hasn't heard about Disney, you know? So my price point for this stock, if I will end up potentially buying it, is 10% discount of the current prices. The stock has ran up a little bit the last couple of months, but it was beaten down ever since 2020 started. But here's my bull thesis for Disney. Disney Plus numbers have exceeded expectations, and Disney Plus numbers is like rising quickly. Like, I don't know if you guys heard, but Disney Plus is like, I think 5 years from now, Disney Plus will have more members than Netflix, in my personal opinion. Not financial advice again. Also, another bull thesis for Disney for myself is reopening the California Disneyland will help the net income, the bottom line basically. Disneyland in California has been closed ever since like March, I believe. And I think in a few months, Disneyland will open up. I know that's kind of controversial, but I do believe Disneyland will open up in the next couple months. This will help numbers, the net income, and all that good stuff. Also, worldwide numbers for Disney Plus haven't even like started rising as expected, like how I expected. So once worldwide numbers come in for Disney Plus, this stock can just go up. Like my price like point is 10% discount of current prices. And I think right now it's like around 170. But I do believe this stock will hit the 200 by the end of the year just because Disney Plus is like rising again. And then ESPN has that deal with UFC. A lot of people are now into UFC, so they're buying pay-per-views that helps Disney Plus and all that good stuff. But Disneyland is my second stock. Third stock I might be potentially buying is Lemonade. Lemonade was brought up by one of my good friends, Israel. So Israel mentioned this stock and how he believed in this stock so much. But he mentioned it to me like around $50. And I was like, you know what? I kind of like this stock, but I haven't looked into the company so much. So once I started digging into the company, I really loved the product. Like he explained to me why he was so bullish on that. Thanks to him, I got to know this company. But then once I finished like researching this company, the price just kept going up. And I was like, damn, like it was 75 and then 85 and then it just went to like 100. I think right now it's like 170. It's crazy. So my price point for this, if I'm gonna buy it in this market crash, is under $80. I know that's a lot of discount from the current prices, but I do believe this stock has ran up so much. And the price to sales ratio is something I really look at too. Although this is a super high growth company, so you can't really measure it off that. But I do believe that this stock has priced in so many things that they haven't done yet. So Lemonade under $80. And Lemonade is basically an insurance company using AI to disrupt the insurance company, which is, you know, something. AI is the future in my personal opinion, and disrupting the insurance company is a big deal to me. Also, if I don't get to buy this stock, Lemonade, I'm not going to like beat myself down and be like, damn, I missed a good stock. Just because there's better opportunities in the market than Lemonade at this current prices. So I look to double up my money every 2 years. So right now it's around 170. To double up has to go over $350, which to me, that's not really acceptable right now just because it has priced in a lot of future growth. But Lemonade is a third stock I might be potentially buying if it falls under $80. My fourth pick I might be potentially buying, it's not really a stock, it's an ETF. So many people is like, it's not a stock, you know, but whatever. Fourth stock I might be potentially buying for this upcoming market correction is the ARK genomic space. It's an ETF. The reason why I believe that the ARK's genomic space will be like so big is just because genomics is a big deal in people's lives. So if they find the right company, this fund or right companies that will help genomics reach to like people, it's gonna be massive. And I think this industry has like billions or probably even trillions of dollars of like money to be made. And at the end of the day, companies want to make money to satisfy shareholders. So my price point for this to buy it is basically high 80s. I think right now it's at high 90s. So it's basically like a 10% discount, somewhere around there. So if it falls high 80s, I will be buying this, and I will be buying it heavy just because it's led by Cathie Woods. I trust Cathie Woods to buy the right companies that she thinks and her researchers think that are the future to dominate the genomic space. So me, myself, I'm not going to buy no genomics companies right now just because I don't know much about genomics, but I do know that the genomics market space has like so much money to be made, and I still need to study genomics. So meanwhile, I want to buy an ETF fund led by Cathie Woods, and that she'll make better decisions than me in this space just because she's very smart. Her researchers are very smart. So I trust her with that industry more than I trust myself right now. But ARK ETF, the ETF is basically ARK G ETF. Right now it's currently at high 90s. I want to buy it at high 80s. So these were the 4 stocks I might be potentially buying for this upcoming market crash. If you guys liked the video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Leave your comments down below. Stay tuned for more videos. You guys have a wonderful day.